To get started with ConnectUC, first you'll need to navigate to our website, accs.accesssystems.com. Once there, you will see our Access branded login. Enter your provided credentials. Find your name in the top right-hand corner, and next to that, click on the Apps icon, and then click ConnectUC. Go ahead and log in using the same credentials as before. What you need to do is allow notifications at the top, and you can close out any of these other windows here. To install ConnectUC as an application on your computer, the first thing you need to do in Chrome is click on the icon at the top right-hand corner that says Install ConnectUC. And click Install. And now you have an actual application and not just a web browser window. This will create a desktop icon for you to use as well, and this can be pinned to the taskbar. To ensure that ConnectUC will work properly in Google Chrome, the first thing you should do is click the top right-hand corner, 3 dots, and click App Info. Within this section, you want to make sure that your microphone is enabled, your notifications are turned on, and sound is turned on. For additional information, you can always click on the Settings section here and confirm that the other permissions are enabled. To make a call in ConnectUC, first you need to click the New Call button at the top. You can also click the dialer icon at the bottom left-hand corner. Here you could type in the full number or the extension number, or choose from your list of contacts. Once you've typed in the user you would like, you can hit the Start Call button at the bottom, and that will initiate the call. Once the call has been connected, you'll have this window open on your screen, and you'll be able to then use these controls to handle the phone call. The first option is to mute or unmute yourself, meaning that the other person cannot hear you. The second is your dial pad that can be used to enter in extensions or dial options in auto attendance. The Park section allows you to place a call on Park or retrieve a call from Park. Add Call allows you to create a conference call. Hold places the person on hold. They will then be hearing your company's hold music. And Transfer allows you to move the call over to another phone. The last option at the bottom is Record, and that will record a local file to your computer. To place a call on Park, first click on the Park icon. In the expanded window, select the Park orbit you'd like to place the call on and click the P icon. You will get this confirmation message, and it will close the window. To retrieve that from Park, click the Parking tab on the left, find the parked call that you want to retrieve, and click Pick Up. To transfer a call from one phone to another, first click the transfer icon. Within the new section here, you have 3 options along the bottom. You can either blind transfer, which means you are sending the call over to another person without interacting with them first. The attended transfer, which means that you will call the person in which you are going to transfer to, discuss the transfer, and then complete the transfer. And finally, you have the ability to send directly to voicemail. Note that this does not ring that person's phone. To do this, first you will type in the extension or the full 10-digit number that you would like to transfer to, and click one of the 3 options. You also have the ability to select from your contacts list the same 3 options. To access your voicemail, first click on the voicemail tab on the left. Here you will see a list of the various voicemails that you might have. In our example, you click on the name here, and then you have the ability to click a play icon to play that message through your computer speakers. On the right-hand side, you have the ability to download that, forward it off to someone else, or move it to trash. Once you have moved one to trash, it can be re-retrieved from the recently deleted section. The chat function on the left-hand side of the screen. The chat feature can be used to send messages back and forth between other members of your organization. To create a message, first click the new chat message icon, then type in the contact you want to send a message to, and then type in the message at the bottom. The Contacts tab will allow you to quickly search through your organization for specific individuals. Once you have found the individual that you would like to contact, you have a few options here. You can chat or make a call. A person's availability status will be displayed at the bottom right-hand corner of their initials, or if they have selected a photo for their account, the green indicating that they are available and red that they are unavailable. For additional ConnectUC settings, you can click your initials at the top left-hand corner. Here you will have a few different options to handle calls coming to your devices. Do not disturb will mean that no calls will come to your device and they will all go to voicemail. Disabling calls will only turn off calls for this device. So if you're utilizing a desk phone or another ConnectUC device, they will still ring at those devices. Disabling notifications means that you will no longer get the screen pop in the middle of the screen to answer or hang up the call. Preferences is a little bit deeper of a dive into the settings of your device. Click the PBX portal here to open up your portal and return you back to the original location where you installed the app. To open a support ticket with us, you can click the report an issue, and that will be sent right over to our remote support technicians. And to sign out of ConnectUC, click the sign out button at the bottom. If you have any additional questions or would like to submit a ticket, email us at phonesupport@accesssystems.com, visit our service page, or give us a call at 888-464-8770.